Hi friends, today I'm going to make chocolate brownies. Brownies come in lots of varieties, but this is my special one. I love this one. So we will need 8-ounce chocolate chips, which I have divided into 4 ounce and 4 ounce, 2.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, 1 stick of butter, 1 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, half cup of pecan or walnut or nuts of your choice, and vanilla essence. I'm going to melt this butter stick in the microwave for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Add the 4-ounce chocolate chips to the butter and melt it. And let it stir it for some time. The chocolate chips have almost melted. We can add 1 cup sugar to it and mix it. So the sugar can melt with the warm butter and chocolate chips. Put the eggs in the batter and mix them. Add all-purpose flour, cocoa and salt and mix it with the batter. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, four ounces of chocolate chips and half cup of walnuts. Nuts are optional. If you don't want to, you don't need to put chocolate chips also, but this is the way I'm making it today. And I have a pan that is greased and lined up with parchment paper, and empty the batter in the greased tray. Spread it out evenly. I'm going to put this in the oven and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. So see you in 30 minutes. Let it cool on the cooling rack for 10 to 15 minutes and cut it into pieces as you desire. So now the brownies are ready. You can enjoy it with a cup of hot milk. And if you like my video, please like it, subscribe it, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you soon.